Welcome to Highland Hill Farm. Do you want to maintain game birds year-round? We have the plants for you. The American hazelnut is a native plant which will grow almost anywhere in the United States. It is a good plant for open fields, it's good for riparian borders, it's good for naturalizing, it will make a colony and make great windbreaks and animal habitat. We sell this plant in a number of forms. You can buy them in the springtime as seedlings or as transplants. We also sell plants this size in a balled and burlap form. Seedlings and transplants can be delivered UPS. The balled and burlap plants like this can be delivered by truck, or you can drive in and pick them up at our site.